standing here trying to figure out a different way to start these videos and I can't come up with anything. So let's just get started. As you can tell from the title, I have a TRENDSEND box. It's by Evereve. And let's see, you get 3 bundles, which I have here. You can get your very first box styling kit for $1 if you've never tried TRENDSEND. It is styled by Evereve. My box this time came from the Pittsburgh store. I think my last few boxes did. And let's see, shipping's free. And if you use my referral link, we both receive a 20% discount off our box. And we get 10% off if you keep 4 or more items. That's a pretty good sale. That's like a sale being sent to you. All right, let's look at the first bundle. Did I introduce myself? If you're new, hi, my name's Barbara. Oh, these look pretty nice, actually. Really nice. They're like they're a heavy, like they feel like a heavy, almost like a denim, but they're not a denim. And they've got the square pockets in the front. Pretty excited to try these on. Okay. And then we have a top to go with it, a blouse, which is very pretty. All right, let's break it down. And then I'll show you the pants close up. All right, this top is really cute. It has some ruching here and a small little collar. It's a very long V-neck, but I love the style of this. Look at the pretty. It's black with some little white flowers. The sleeves are sheer. This part is lined, and it has elastic on the bottom here. So for me, it rides up, but I think it really looks cute. It almost looks like it's tucked in. It is really pretty. This is called the Shay Floral Mesh Top. It is by Evereve. $78. Yeah, $78 and hand wash. But you know how that goes. This I would probably throw in the washer and then hang it to dry. This is really cute. I really like this a lot. What do you guys think? I like it. Now, thank you to whoever used my referral link because I will receive 20% off of the $78. So that makes it more affordable. And if I can find 4 things in here that I absolutely love to keep, I will get an additional 10% off. And you'll always get your styling fee, which mine is $20 because it's not my first box, taken off of that also. This is pretty nice. I really like this. Okay, now let's talk about these pants. The pants I really like. I'm just putting that out there because some of you are probably like, she's not gonna like this, she's not gonna like those. These are the Beth wide leg trouser. I'm wearing a size 28. They're $138. Yikes. Okay, let me back up so you can see these. See how wide they are? But the length is kind of odd. It's almost like the length needs to be just a little bit longer or they need to be shorter up here. Something like that. That would be cute. But these are really nice. They have the square pockets, which are really nice, and those are flattering. I like the square pockets. Pockets on the bum. See how wide they are? I just wish they were just a tad bit longer. So cute. And they're a button closure with a zipper. The material feels really nice. Okay, so we're off to a good start. I just wish they were a little bit longer. The stylist recommended that I wear booties with them. I have one pair of booties, but honestly, I didn't like them with these. I like the heels. That's just my style. Okay, let's see what's next. We have a pair of jeans. What are these? Cut from the cloth. I can't see without my glasses. They look unfinished hem. They look like they're skinnies. I like the wash on them. They look kind of small. What size are these? Nope, they're an 8, so hopefully, oh yeah, they're stretch, okay? And this cute top, look at the color of this. Looks like it's got a twist here. This would be good going in the spring. This will be great going into spring. And then we have, what is this? Oh, okay. This, it's pretty, but it's a kimono, but it's a short one with sleeves. Is that what this is still? I don't know. Is that? It's very pretty colors. It'll look great with the top that she paired with it. Okay, let's talk about this wrap. This is by Evereve. It is called the Karma Global Wrap. I am wearing a size small. It is $88. I like that it has the sleeves like built in, but I wish they were a little bit tighter, but it is cute, isn't it? Look at the detail. Look at the colors. It's really pretty. It is pretty. I just wish it fit a little snugger. It's very lightweight. So even if you just want something on your arms, this would work great. So it's cute. I mean, it's not for me, especially not for $88. Okay, so this is a no. I like the first outfit. That's pretty cute. How many times am I going to say that's pretty cute? I think I said that in my last video too. Okay, so that's a no. All right, I wanted to show you this with it tucked in, but this girl's not going to wear it tucked in. So wear it out. And what is this? This is the Stevie twist sleeve in coral. And it's nice. I'm wearing a size small. It's $58. It is machine washable. So it has a little twist on the side. It's got a nice, I like the neckline on it. The only thing is that this is a little snug, but now that I've had it on, it feels fine. I actually really like this. I think this is really cute. So I don't know, I really like it. It's really soft and it's stretchy. So this is going to be a yes. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to end up keeping this $58 and I get 20% off of that price. Okay, the jeans. Whew, I had to squeeze into these, let me tell you, ladies. They're size 8. They're skinnies. Skinnies, I really need to size up, but when I size up, they're too big. So I'm kind of in that either gain some weight, Barbara, or lose some weight. Pick a lane, pick a lane. Okay, these jeans are nice. They're by Cut from the Kloth. They're the high-rise Mia skinnies. Mia's usually fit me very well. They're $88. I'm wearing a size 8. And for reference, ladies, I am 5'3". So I really like the cuffs on them. I mean, they're longer, obviously, because I rolled them up. I like my skinnies rolled up. I love wearing heels, skinny heels, big heels, whatever it might be. The skinnier, the better, typically. But these are nice, but I would be uncomfortable if I kept them. So these are going to be a no, but there's a little distressing just right here. That's the only distressing. But I love the wash on them. I like the fit. And maybe the fit feels a little tight because I haven't been wearing skinnies. So maybe there's that. I'll have to sit down in them and see. I mean, they feel pretty good for skinnies. Do I need them? No, I don't. Do I like them? Yeah. So I don't know. I'm on the fence for these. Okay, let's see what's next. Last outfit. So let's see. We have a Michael Stars V-neck tank. These are always nice for layering, and these usually fit really well. This is substantial. You can feel the quality in this, so we'll know what that is by when we look at the price. And a denim jacket. So we'll put those on with the jeans and show another outfit. This is pretty cute, this jacket, I have to say. This is by Cut from the Cloth. It's called the Cara Denim Jacket. I am wearing a size small. It's $89. I have to tell you, when I first saw this, I thought, there is no way I need another denim jacket. But I don't have one with the fading like this one. Look at how cute it looks with the jeans. How cute is that? Okay, this jacket is really nice. It's got a lot of stretch in it. It is unfinished hem. There are no pockets on the outside or the inside except right here. I like the stitching because it gives it more of a fitted look. I don't button my jackets, and actually with this being a small, yeah, I could button it. If I got really cold. If I got really cold, I'd be wearing a heavier jacket. So, I kind of like this. Okay, I have the sleeves rolled up. I like that when you roll them, the inside is a little darker, but they are the button. So they're a normal length. They're not, I don't have long arms or short arms. I feel like I've got pretty standard arms. So they're a good length. I like this. Okay. I'm going to look at the other two denim jackets I have. I'm pretty sure. I know I don't have one faded like this. I know I don't. So more than likely, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep it. It feels good. It feels good. So I like it. And you know what? This light color would really look nice with dresses. Like if you have a dress and you just want to dress casual, like a sundress, and you have sandals, flip-flops on. This is a nice addition to that. So I don't know, this might, looks like there was a tag on it. This is probably gonna be mine. I'm probably gonna keep it, but I gotta look at my other two. Okay, this top. Okay, this is by Michael Stars. It is the Maya V-neck tank. Love the feel of it. I'm wearing a size small. It's $68. I mean, it feels amazing. I'm not crazy about this. I feel like for $68, this should lay better. And maybe after I wash it, it will. But this always bothers me when I see this on tops. Great layering piece, but for $68, I'm probably gonna pass on it for that price. Okay, that is my TRENDSEND. What do you guys think? I think the stylist did a very good job. Oh, I have a couple of the items still upstairs. So the trousers, let me go get those. Okay, these are the pants, and I love the square pocket in the front. The material feels great. I would say if things fit you loose, you might want to size down, because these are 28 and they fit me just right. Maybe a tad bit loose, but they're the wide legs, so they probably should fit. These would be a keeper at the price if they were a little bit longer or shorter, so that they look like, almost like, I don't want to say culottes because those are short, but pair that I used to wear back in the day. But because the length is a little odd, I'm going to return these. But I really like them a lot. I love the material on them. The blouse that came with it. Also, all the information will be in the description down below if there's anything you're interested in ordering, or if there's something that you would like to request in your box. This top, I love this top. But I think for the price, I'm going to wait until, I'm going to watch for it to go on sale. And then I'm gonna grab it when it's on sale. But see, it's lined on the inside, the black. Oh, it has little ruffles. I noticed that when I took it off. I don't know if you can see it. Cute, so cute. I like them a lot. Okay, the coral top, I'm probably gonna keep this. I like it. It's gonna get me into spring. Okay, the wrap, no way. Let's see. The jacket, yeah, so wait a minute, how many items is that? I'm gonna have to do my math. I think I'm gonna probably only keep two well, I've got the jeans on. So the jeans are feeling actually pretty good. They really are. I just have to wear them around a little bit to see if it's something. They are stretching out a little bit. So I like the look of them with heels, but you know, I'm a high heel girl. I'm gonna keep the jacket. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. And that's it, that's my TRENDSEND box. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.